The one right beneath that you will see is that which view you are actually or you are gonna look at your drawing. So um, are you for example, do you want to look at your drawing from the front, to look at from the top, from the bottom? So this basically it uh, define the angle that the eye is going to look at the object. So if I click on that, you will see it gives you a couple of options that tells you which direction you actually want to look at your object. So um, most of the time we are using these isometric view if we want to look at it. So if I look at that this SE isometric, and this is probably the one that we are uh, familiar with that, and I believe this is the one that is actually right now it's used. So if you look at that, this SE isometric, and look at this cube here. So basically this is what usually we look at it. So this is the front, it tells you this is the front, this is the top, and this is the right side view. So if I click on that, it will show it in that format for me. But sometimes, usually, you might, or sometimes I myself find it is easier to, instead of having it in um, this format that we use it for in drawing, it's more easier to use, for example, this SW isometric, and look at how it rotates. So basically we are, instead of looking from the front and right and top, we are looking at the left, front and top. So it's going to be the left, front and top. So it depends on how you feel comfortable, or how you want, depend on what you are drawing, which way of that we want to work on. For example, if we want to work on the left side of our drawing, we assume we want to add something here, so we need to switch to this one. But if I want to add something to the right side of that, so I have to go and switch it to that view so I can see the right side of that, or any other views that you can have it here. So these are the 3D way of viewing. If you want to look at from one the 2D viewing of that, for example, if you want to look it from the front and look at from your object just right from the front, you can click on that and it will rotate it for you, and then you're looking at your drawing from the front. If you want to look at it from, for example, the top, so you can click on that and it's rotated for you, so you can look at it from the top. Uh, if you want to go to where you were, so you can click on this home button here, or you can come here again and select one of those 3D menu to take you back to 3D view. So basically, so these two, as I said, the top one, the top drop down menu, it just says the style of it's going to be visualized. The second one is just the angle you're looking at your drawing, and that's what we use this view menu for.